In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your monday.com account. Before we begin, keep in mind that closing your account is a permanent action for that workspace. Make sure you've downloaded or backed up any important boards, files, or automations you might need later, because once the account is closed, you may not be able to recover that information. First, open monday.com and sign in with the account that has admin permissions for the workspace you want to close. Only an account administrator can delete the account, so if you don't see the options I'm about to show you, you may need to ask your workspace admin to follow these steps instead. Once you're logged in, look toward the upper right-hand corner of your screen. There, you'll see your profile icon. This might be your initials or a small avatar image. Click on that profile icon to open a drop-down menu with your account options. From the drop-down, look for the option labeled Administration. This is where all of the higher level settings for your account and workspace are managed. Go ahead and click Administration to open the admin area. Inside the administration section, you'll see a menu on the left side with several different categories of settings. Find and click on Billing. Even though deleting your account feels more like a general setting, monday.com places the account closure controls inside the billing section because it's directly tied to your subscription. Once you're in the billing area, make sure you're on the Overview tab. The overview page summarizes your current plan and payment details, and it also includes the option to close your account. On the billing overview page, scroll down until you see the option that says Close My Account. This is the link or button that starts the account deletion process. Take a moment here and double check that you really want to proceed. If you're sure, click Close My Account. A confirmation window will appear, asking you to confirm that you want to go ahead with closing the account. This is your last chance to cancel if you clicked it by mistake. If you're ready and you've backed up everything you need, click the final button labeled Close Account. After you do this, monday.com will process the request and your account for that workspace will be closed.